Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use app cloning for dual apps on the MOTOROLA Moto G87. So, if you want to use dual apps, which is a feature that allows you to have two different instances of the same app on the same phone, I'm going to show you how to enable that. And the first thing that we're going to do is open up Settings, then scroll down to Apps, then scroll down again to Clone Apps, and here you're going to have all of the apps that you can clone down here. So I only have WhatsApp available on this phone, but you may have many different other apps. So I'm going to be using WhatsApp for this tutorial. Now all you need to do is click the plus icon, tap Create, and it's going to create a WhatsApp clone. And it's going to be created on our home screen. As you can see, the cloned version is going to have this little icon on the bottom right of the icon. And now you just have two different instances of the app. And here you can even see they're different in the recently opened tab. And if you want to remove it, you can pretty much just click on App Info and then press delete. Okay. And do keep in mind that it clones the app fully, so it takes up the same amount of storage as normal WhatsApp, so you have twice as much storage taken up. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.